Everyone is eager to create new ideas, brands, designs, or inventions that can make an impact in the community or for an organization or business perhaps. However, we all know that starting a project is never easy. We end up looking for inspiration from different sources. And it's perfectly fine, because great ideas come from anywhere if you just know where to find them. And most of the time, ideas are found inside you. After a long while, we are able to combine all the ideas or concepts we have researched for hours, days, or probably months. With the amount of time, we have successfully created a unique and eye-catching design. Now, with all the time and effort we put into it, how do we protect our ideas from being exploited by others without our consent or anything? Hi, I'm Clairizza. Oops, not that picture. This is Clairizza, and today, I am going to explain intellectual property rights. Inventions, literary, designs, and other creative works used in commerce all fall under the umbrella of intellectual property, or IP. So let's discuss the different types of IP. We have the copyrights, trademarks, and patents. Let's start with copyrights. The term copyright refers to a set of rights that the owner of a creative or literary work has. These automatically vest to someone who creates an original work of authorship. Documents, photographs, maps, blueprints, and websites all have copyright embedded in them. It's a good idea to put copyright marks on whatever you make and keep track of how and when you make it. The protection of your works under copyright covers their lifetime and 50 years after your death. Now, if you are wondering who can apply for copyrights, so here's the answer. The owner of the work or his or her assignees or probably successor's interest has the right to apply for copyright registration. On the other hand, unique branding design, symbols, or logos falls under trademark. In the marketplace, a trademark protects a company's brand identification. When a trademark is registered, the owner gains exclusive rights to prohibit others from using or abusing it in any way. Aside from serving as a source identification, differentiator, quality indication, and advertising tool, a protected mark can also provide the owner with additional revenue through licensing or franchising. If a trademark is constantly watched and properly managed, it can be protected indefinitely. The protection lasts 10 years from the date of registration and can be renewed for another 10 years. And if you are great inventors, apply for a patent. During the term of the patent, the inventor has the sole right to prevent anyone from creating, using, or selling the product of his creation. Patent holders can also provide permission or licenses to others to utilize their ideas under mutually agreed upon terms. Owners may also sell their invention rights to a third party who will then become the patent's new owner. The Philippines Intellectual Property Code stipulates 3 requirements for an invention to be considered patentable. It must be novel, innovative, and industrially relevant. A patent's term begins on the filing date of the application and ends 20 years later. Starting in the 5th year, the patent must be renewed every year. So, what are you waiting for? Apply for copyrights, trademarks, and patent at www.ipofil.gov.ph. Although this will take some time and effort probably, but trust me, everything will be worth it. We need to protect ourselves so that we can protect others. Having said that, we need to be familiar with the law as well. This is where Republic Act number 8293 comes in. The Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines is authored by late Senator Raul S. Rocco. This shall protect and secure the exclusive rights of scientists, inventors, artists, and other gifted citizens to their intellectual property and creations, while IPOFIL is the government agency mandated to administer and implement state policies on intellectual property, or IP, to strengthen the protection of IP rights in the country. Always remember, one who is aware will never get themselves in trouble. And this is me, Clairizza Arcillas. Shameless plug, follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just don't follow me in person. You saw me today. I know you'll be having a nice day ahead. Ciao. Thank you for listening.